Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Caleb Ruiz, and I am a software developer. And you know, what is mathematics, and how can you exercise mathematics? Perhaps you are telling yourself that you need to be on a desk with a notebook, you know, taking notes, and that will be adequate for the exercise of the mathematics. But the fact is that throughout the history, some people were able to exercise mathematics without being in the most comfortable situation. And I don't know if this is a myth or if it was made up. But there was a guy named Archimedes, and the story at some point I read that this guy was assassinated on the beach when he was trying to prove a theorem. So he was doing some mathematics on the beach, on the sand, lines in the sand. Now there was another person. uh, and it's her name is Spanish, Sor Juana Inés de la Cruz, and she was prohibited from study. The books were confiscated, but still, in her book, answer to Sor Filotea, respuesta a Sor Filotea, but translated that into English, it will be something like answers to Sor Filotea. She is narrating that when that happened, she still was able to do mathematics in her head by observing some parallel lines on a given building, or observing how some kids were playing. So my hope is for you to have the best conditions to study this branch of science. And let's also suppose that you think you're unable to do mathematics because you were sold the idea that you are not good enough, or maybe you tell yourself that story. But the fact is that, as you will discover, you can do mathematics, and mathematics is not related to just solving problem mechanically. It's all about thinking in a certain way, which helps you to attain a higher level of intelligence, as Mr. Helfand, Israel Helfand, once said. And what what I'm trying to say here is that I'm going to start sharing some live sessions in which I'm going to share with you some of the knowledge contained in this book called Geometry by Israel M. Helfand and Tatiana Alexeyevskaya Helfand, apparently his wife. And for a long time, I this book was published on 2020, even when the first notes, the first ideas of writing this book were from 1989. And I think for people lacking self-confidence, or people that think that it is too late uh, to learn some mathematics, I think this is a great introductory book, because the level of prerequisites are minimum, and the amount of thinking and creativity that you get from here is quite a lot. So I hope you join those live sessions, and I hope you gain something from it. And most importantly, I really hope for you that after going in, for example, at the middle of the book, you realize by yourself that you are indeed doing mathematics without even knowing it. So, thank you very much and see you on those live sessions. Bye.